Hey John, this is a Goldbranson. This is an absolutely gorgeous piano. It's very intricate, so it's worth a little bit more because of the intricacies in the case. It's got a really beautiful burled wood front on it. Goldbranson's real famous piano, famous for the origination of pretty much player systems. They're one of the people that actually they were the biggest in the world of producing player pianos. This is a very famous piano, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And here it's got a nice ivory and a matching bench. With the original strings. It's amazing how good it sounds with the original strings. You can imagine how good it will sound once you restore it.